Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me and Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Belgium. We came here only for 2 days to share our knowledge about colored paint protection film and as well to learn some new tips and tricks from very professional guys, very professional company, BC Signature. They're very big and very well known here in Belgium and I'm super excited to be here. For these 2 days, we'll have 2 cars to do. Yeah, we will wrap BMW X5 competition in very bright color, and other one is Kia, which is right there, which we're gonna wrap in gray silver color. And we're gonna use colored paint protection film. So let's start our wrapping journey. Before we're gonna start to work, I would like to show you a bit inside of the shop because they have a huge facility. It is more than 700 square meters. So let's go inside. So a few templates for BMW X5 are cut and modified and cut. Yeah, we're gonna use for the front bumper modified template, for the fenders as well. We're gonna use template